Hello guys, welcome to the video. My previous video we talked about function. This was where in the script I explained what is actually happening, everything that's actually happening here. But in this video, we're going to add more method, or you can see more function to this class, so we can make it more entertaining. Let's say, for instance, we can say the color of the house is red. So we can write another function that can handle this. Let's say, or we can say method. How do we do that? We can say def. Let's say the function, let's say describe for example, we must take the self argument. So when I run return, what I want to return, let's say I want to string, so I want to return the color, the house color is self dot color. So what is actually happening here? Remember I said that this self point to that we're talking about this class, so it will tend to run and use a global variable for it. So this function, what does this function do? Just to let me make this a capital letter. Make that just to display that the house color is any color that I give it when I'm running. So here I gave it green, so it's going to say the house color is green. Anytime I run this class, but it's not going to really run like that because I still need to call this function. If I were to run this, okay, let me close this house too. Let me just remove this house. Let me run this. You can see I was able to get 30, but because I called this self dot size inside there. But for me to call this describe, what I want to do is dot describe. You open and close bracket, like how we do in function. If you are finding it hard to understand, make sure to check my video on function. It's going to explain this. I know how we call function in Python. Anytime we call function, how to use the open and the close bracket. So when I run this, you can see the house color is green. I was able to access this function or this method from the class object. So you should remember is that I can write as many methods as you want. Let's say I want to write another one. Let's say describe two, for example. Let's say I want to talk about the size. The house size is self dot size. So let me run this. You can see the house color is green because I'm still calling this describe. So let me describe too. I see 30. I can change it here to maybe 399990. You can see I was able to ask the class object do it. Well, I think this is basically the easiest way and the the best way to explain it for the beginner. So I think this will come to the end of this video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.